Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button found right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button and it's called the notification bell. And I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening is YouTube sends you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So this way, if you press the subscribe button and ring the bell, you'll be in the know. Also, if you see behind me, there's a pillow with a thumbs up. That is to remind you guys that I have to ask you to, right underneath this video, press that thumbs up. What ends up happening is you will see the number go up, as well as if you just did it, it will turn blue. What that does is it notifies YouTube that if it gets to a certain number, that YouTube will then give me a shout out, which means they will put my videos in front of other people that haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet, but they like this type of content. So because this is such a large platform, I'm asking you to help me there with that thumbs up, and I truly appreciate it, and I'm thanking you in advance. All right, today we're going to be going through an IPSY flash sale and what it is and what I got. I always try to at least order something from the sales so that I can share with you guys what all these other programs are within the IPSY family. When anyone ever asks me where to start with subscription boxes, I always say IPSY because a couple of reasons. One, they have a bag that's $12 for you to get your feet wet to see if you even like receiving subscription boxes once a month. You get all the same benefits in the $12 bag that you do if you grow with IPSY. What that means is for the $12, you're going to get a monthly subscription. You're going to get, it's supposed to be only 5 deluxe sample sizes, but somehow they always seem to throw in a full size. So I'm going to tell you that it's sample sizes, but you have to know that you're probably going to get either a full size brush or a full size lipstick or a full size lip gloss or mascara. It always seems to be that way. So that's where you start. But you also get a cosmetic bag that is not included in the 5 count of products that you're going to get. To me, that is absolutely where you start, because after you do your customization, which is usually halfway or a little 3/4 of the month for the following month, what ends up happening is right after that customization choice, this sale comes up, which is called the flash sale. And the flash sale is open for 48 hours and it ships separately. The reason I'm telling you that is when on the 2nd of every month is what I call my IPSY day. And I always try to upload a video early to share with you guys what IPSY chose for me in my bags. And then right after that, you can then go into the add-ons. The flash sale and the add-ons never have the same products. The flash sales have a lot of duos and the add-ons have a lot of singles and bundles and things like that. So the add-ons get shipped with your bag. So when you check your bag out on the 2nd to see what they chose for you, if what they chose for you wasn't in your bag, they give you the option for a couple of extra dollars to add it into your bag, and it ships with your bag. So the flash sale is something completely different. And that's why I always try to order a couple of things from it or one thing from it, so at least I can sit down and share with you guys about the flash sale. And ironically, the flash sale, like I said, comes right after we do our choices for the IPSY bag, the glam bag, the $12 bag, as well as the ultimate. That's the way it is right now because they're changing things with the plus for the month of August. So I was so surprised. I don't know when this is going to get posted, but this came really early. This came pretty much, I think, a week or I know it was under 2 weeks, this order, and it came even before some boxes that I haven't still received for the month of July. So like I said, I don't know when this is being posted. I'm hoping by then I will have received the box that has been somewhere in the wilderness since the beginning of July, and it's my largest box from IPSY. I have not unboxed yet the ultimate box. So I'm going to share with you what I chose, and I'm going to tell you that it ships separately, and like I said, that flash sale is open for 48 hours. And my favorite thing to buy from the flash sale is when they have duos. And the duo that I chose for myself this time, and if you choose more than one duo, they put it in a separate bag with a tie, so you know which duo belongs together. If you just order it on its own, which I did this month, if you look at a previous month of mine, and if you want to see any of my previous videos, you'll see underneath the video that you're watching now, my name, True Wants, with the subscriber number. If you press on the name True Wants, which is bold, which is the name of my channel, you press on that, it opens up another screen that shows you every video that I ever did. But if you want to only look at IPSY flash sale, in the search bar, you simply type in IPSY flash sale and it will just bring up all those videos. So you're able to customize it that way too, if that's how you want to look at things. All right, so my bundle that I did was a lip liner with a lip gloss, with a lipstick. This is called Lovecraft Beauty and Jean Bleu Everyday Lip Duo. This together cost me $5, including the shipping. It blows my mind. So I went on the website to double check about this Lovecraft, and I got introduced to Lovecraft Beauty through IPSY. In my bags, I received a bronzer palette from them, which I enjoyed, and then I enjoyed it so much that when they were in the $3 add-ons, I grabbed a couple of the singles of the one that was in the palette. The same thing, they had a blush by this brand, but I don't think I've had the opportunity to try their lipstick. So this was a duo that I figured I will definitely try. I have tried the Jean Bleu pencils before, and what I like about this pencil on their website is $5. So by paying for this one item, I got this lipstick for free. This lipstick on the Lovecraft website is $19. So this is a $24 retail bundle that I paid $5, including the shipping. And that's why I love the duos and the flash sales. And they also tell you during the flash sale that you will never see these products available in the add-ons. So you're not going to see any duplication like that. So really, really excited about that. So I'm going to swatch this, show you guys what I got, read to you a little bit about it, and that'll be it for this video today. But I definitely want you guys to know that there's and on IPSY, they also have where you review, you get points, and then you could redeem your points for free products. Also on IPSY, they have a shopper that every day at 9 a.m. they change, and they keep it alive for about a week. So if it doesn't sell out what they put on the shopper on Monday, it'll move to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until it sells out for 1 week. That's how I've seen it. Sometimes it's one product, sometimes it's bundles, but it's always something good to like double check and see if there's something in there. If you've seen some of my lip kits, and again, you can go IPSY shopper under my search bar, and you could see I just finished uploading a beautiful lip kit that I got for $17. There were full-size Huda Beauty in there, plus the bag is the cutest lipstick bag. So that's why I'm saying for the $12 to start on a subscription with IPSY, it opens you up to the IPSY family, that there's so many opportunities that if you want to get things at really great prices, it's a win-win. And that's why I always share this with you guys, because I know I always have new subscribers and I want to make sure that nobody misses out. Because when I moved to the States, I'm a Canadian girl, everything was so confusing for me. So I decided to start a channel to be able to share with everybody, so that if you're not part of the group that's been doing this for a long period of time, you'll be able to get a little bit more of an explanation from me. All right, so this first thing I want to show you is the Lovecraft Beauty. It says, be prepared to be obsessed with these two no-fuss lip shades. They'll take you away from the sunny picnics to your poolside hangs and everywhere in between. The Love Beauty lipstick, and they're saying the name of this is F-A-U-S-T-A, Fausta. It is a beige warm nude. And you can also, these aren't mysteries, so you can click on the picture and see what the color is. So if it's something that you're not interested, then you move on. But you're able to really make some really great decisions. So this is informative decisions. This is the beige warm nude you'll find yourself constantly reaching for. It's highly pigmented with a satin finish that delivers full coverage color every time. So let's see what this is about. And this is full size. This is, look at this, unbelievable, and it's just beautiful. And the way they have a really cute symbol on the top. I don't know if you guys can see. It says LCB, LCB in like a cross. It's really, really beautiful. And then this here has the name on the bottom, and this is how the angle of the lipstick is, the bullet. All right, so we're gonna do yeah. It's beautiful, it's creamy. As you can see, I did a couple of strokes because that's what I always do. But I'm going to do one so you could see it can be that light or that. This is stunning. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, this is definitely a find. So I gave you the name. It is FAUSTA. So if you see this in future add-ons, you'll know, as well as if it comes up again in another flash sale, you'll see it. The only thing I wanted to share with you guys also before I swatch the other item, this is something new that's been going on, and I realized it when I started unpackaging my items prior to filming. A lot of companies are now putting their ingredients and everything on the plastic wrapper. And when you take it off, none of it, you'll never have that on the tube. So I don't remember ever the ingredients having to be on, so this must be something new on lipsticks, because I have so many beautiful lipstick bullets and none of them have the ingredients on it. Some of them had it really small around this bottom part. But I think that's really important that you guys know that if it's something you want to know, make sure to look at it on here. If you have allergies or anything, everything is written here. And then because once you take it off, you know, like me, I throw this away. All right, I just wanted to share that. Okay, the next thing is from, like I said, this company called Jean Bleu. It is a lip liner in a dusty rose. It gives any of your favorite lipsticks that extra staying power. It is a creamy, highly pigmented formula that makes it easier to contour your lips or create a base for your lipstick, or just wear it alone. All right. With lip liners, it's an old trick that I learned a long time ago. They're saying because when I was younger, we used to just outline our lips, and that's how beautiful the color is here. And the color on this, I don't know if I told you guys, it is 942 Dusty, and it's the same. There's your color there, and there's the color there. And it's a wooden pencil, which I like when I'm at home because every time you sharpen it, you're almost like cleaning it. That's how my head works when it comes to this. So I always enjoy these wooden pencils, and it went on very creamy, very smooth. If you want your lipstick, or if you have to talk a lot, or you're at a trade show, or you're in a business meeting, or even just out for lunch with the girls, if you line your lip just on the outside, which is what we used to do, and you eat and whatever comes off, you end up looking, you know, like you have that ring around your mouth. If you don't want to have that and you want your lipstick color to last a little bit longer, you fill in your entire lip with the lip liner. So even when your lipstick fades off, you still have a color on your lip. So that's what I always suggest to do. So that's my flash sale. I think it's fantastic. I got this as a bundle for $5. It's a $24 value, shipped to me for free in its own bag before all my IPSY bags come. So this is a nice little pick-me-up that you can have before, you know, the end of the month, when you go through that little lag of the boxes have all been done. You have like a week or so, or 10 days, and then the new boxes start to arrive. So that's why I love the flash sale. I always try to find something in there, but mainly so that I can share with you guys so that you guys don't miss out and you know when to look for it. All right? Once again, I always appreciate so much that you take any time out of your day to spend it with me here, so thank you. But most importantly, during this time, it is really important for me to tell you guys to continue to stay safe and stay well, because this is all enjoyable if we have our health. If you don't have your health, all of this, it's not worth it. All right? So please continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.